I never imagined that pouring the egg mixture into boiling water would cause such a reaction. This is the best way to cook eggs. In water. The method of preparation is something that many people have never eaten or even seen before. First, crack 6 naturally laid hen eggs into a bowl, reserving the shells for later use. Add a little salt. Season with a little pepper. Add plenty of chopped scallions, and then use my hands. Stir well in the direction of the sun. Prepare spring water in the same proportion as the egg liquid. Pour the mixture into a dry pan and heat until it boils. Then slowly pour the beaten eggs into the pan. For you, giving a red heart is just a small gesture, but for me, it can make my whole day happy. This video. Could you please give me a free little heart to support me? Thank you everyone. Please don't follow. Stir until the bottom of the egg is set before stirring. Gently push the egg mixture with the spatula until the egg is completely set. Then use a shovel to cut it into pieces. Once the pieces are evenly sized, they're ready to serve. This dish doesn't require any additives during the stir-frying process. Oily, tender, and soft. Delicious and nutritious. Especially suitable for the elderly and children. You will learn it too. Save this recipe and give it a try. I've always been curious about the second one. Should you stir-fry the green beans or the eggs first when making scrambled eggs with green beans? Let's find out today. I'll share the correct approach with you. Heat oil in a pan, add green peas and a spoonful of salt, and stir-fry over high heat for 2 minutes. Stir-fry until thoroughly cooked. Add minced garlic and bell pepper and continue to stir-fry until fragrant. I share simple home-style dishes every day, but I still don't get your attention. My heart is so lovely. Please order one today. Happy New Year. Prepare 4 freshly laid eggs, add a little salt, and beat well. Slowly drizzle the mixture into the pan. Don't stir it immediately after putting it in. Let it set for a while. Fry until fully set before. Flip it over, add seasonings and a little light soy sauce, then stir-fry evenly. It's delicious and goes perfectly with rice. It looks beautiful and tastes delicious, so learn how to make it for your family. The third. Of course, I never imagined that blanching chives in a pot would make them a favorite for both adults and children. Food recipes. It's also super simple. First, cut 500 grams of chives into sections. Then, bring water to a boil in a pot and add a spoonful of salt. Eat in small amounts. Oil is key to keeping vegetables bright green and preventing them from discoloring when blanched. Add the chives. Blanch the chives for 30 seconds until cooked, then rinse them in cold water to make them crisper. Squeeze out the water and place in. Add a little light soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, chicken bouillon, a little sugar, and cornstarch to the empty bowl or plate. A suitable amount of my tap water, stirred well, is liked by many people. He likes to watch videos quietly, but he'll also quietly give a like. If you are healthy, free from illness, blessed with wealth, and have many joyful events, then accept this blessing and your life will be doubly smooth. Whoever catches it will find it magical. Add garlic to hot oil. Suinaka. Saute over low heat until fragrant, then pour in the prepared sauce. Reduce the sauce over high heat until thickened, then pour over the chives and serve. Springtime is the season for chives, so if you have a husband at home, hurry up and harvest some. Let's make the fourth one. Many people buy pork ribs and only know how to make soup and sweet and sour dishes for their children. I'm tired of eating this, so I'm making it today. Pho ni. You've definitely never seen anything like it before, and it tastes even better. Sprinkle a little salt on the good pork ribs and soak them in water for half an hour. Look at all this blood. It's the source of the fishy smell, so put it in a pot of cold water with cooking wine and blanch for 2 minutes. Remember, be sure to wash with hot water. Cold water will make the meat juices tough and dry. Heat oil in a pan. Add rock sugar and stir-fry until it turns a deep reddish-brown color. Add the pork ribs and stir-fry until they are coated with the sugar. I share simple home-style recipes every day, so please follow me. After. If you don't know how to make it, you can always find a recipe. I'll add ginger slices, star anise, bay leaves, and dried chili peppers. Pour light soy sauce and oyster sauce into boiling water at 101 degrees Celsius. Stew with lid on for 4 days. After 10 minutes, add a little egg and a spoonful of salt. Reduce the sauce over high heat until thickened, then sprinkle with garlic sprouts. This method makes braised pork ribs tender and soft. The flavor is so good that kids love it. After the 5th step, never blanch green beans when stir-frying them at home. To get oil you're like. This method is simple, easy to learn, delicious, and goes well with rice. First, slice the green beans diagonally into strips. This makes them easier to absorb flavor and cook through. Heat oil in a pan and add the chopped green beans. Add salt purchased by hand. Stir-fry over high heat until 70% cooked, then set aside. Fatty meat in the pot. Stir-fry over high heat until the oil is rendered, then add minced garlic and chili. If available, add some lean meat. I share delicious home-style recipes every day, so please follow me. I don't know what to eat next. Come and browse through all my videos. It's a delicious home-style dish, stir-fried until fragrant. Add green beans for seasoning, then add light soy sauce. If you don't eat chicken bouillon, add a little chicken bouillon. Stir fry over high heat until flavorful, then remove from heat and serve. If you want to try it, save this recipe and take it home. If you want to eat fish fragrant eggplant after the 6 paths, you can. Never fry it in oil, that's wasteful and causes burn. First, cut the eggplant. The next step is crucial. Add twice the amount of salt used for stir frying and marinate for 10 minutes until the strips are tender. Add excess water and then clean water. Wash away excess. I've been rinsing the salt content for several days. It's so sad that I haven't received your attention after submitting 100 works. Please follow me. If you watch this video, your cooking skills will definitely improve. Add a spoonful of fermented soybean paste and stir fry. The garlic is getting better and better. Dry the garlic and set aside. Heat oil in a pan. Add scallions, ginger, garlic, and chili peppers, and stir fry until fragrant. Stir fry until the oil turns red, then add the eggplant and season with chicken bouillon, sugar, and half a spoonful of light soy sauce. Stir in vinegar evenly and stir fry. Finally, add the green and red bell peppers and stir fry over high heat for 5, 6, 7, or 8 seconds to allow the flavors to melt. This method of making fish fragrant eggplant is so delicious and not greasy at all. 7th dish. You can easily make rice and tofu at home with just a block of tofu and 2 scallions. Braise tofu with scallions, just as delicious as in the restaurant. First, cut the scallions into short sections and add soy sauce to a bowl. Dark soy sauce, salt, and chicken bouillon. A little white sugar, oyster sauce, and cornstarch. Stir with a spoonful of water. Mix well and set aside. Beans. Breaking the tofu into small pieces by hand is the key to its flavor. The oil is hot. Pan fry the tofu until golden brown on all 8 sides. I teach cooking diligently every day, and I hope you'll give me a free little red heart as encouragement. I thanked them profusely, and then poured in the prepared sauce. Simmer over low heat for 2 minutes, then turn up the heat to reduce the sauce until thickened, then remove from heat and serve. This method of making braised tofu with scallions results in a fragrant and delicious dish that tastes even better than meat dishes. The 8th dish. Many people like to eat stir-fried beef, but it always turns out, after it gets old and hard, you can press. The beef I make using this method is tender, flavorful, and goes perfectly with rice. First, cut good sliced beef with a little scallion and ginger water and a suitable amount of dark soy sauce. Add oyster sauce and a spoonful of cornstarch. Mix thoroughly and repeatedly before adding. Add cooking oil, water retention. Now, we'll prepare some green peppers. I stir fry and press each spoonful of salt. Flatten the chili peppers and cut them into small pieces. Heat oil in a pan. Add the chili peppers directly, and add a small amount of oil. Every day, share simple home-style dishes. If you like them, please follow me. If you want to eat something but don't know how to cook it, you can still turn up. I stir-fried orange pork and set it aside. In a separate pan, heat oil and saute garlic slices and chili peppers until fragrant. Finally, add the green peppers. Pour in the marinated beef and turn up the heat to high, then stir-fry the beef until it's about 80% cooked. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce. Stir-fry the seasonings evenly, and it's ready to serve. Beef stir-fried like this is fragrant, spicy, tender, and perfect with rice.